Now let's talk about how to arrange and order capacities. We want to select the order, which is from the largest to the smallest. In order to do this, we're going to need to know our conversions. Let's put everything into cups since that's our smallest unit. So now we need to know what the other units are compared to cups. So we have 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. 1 quart is equal to 4 cups. And 1 gallon is equal to 16 cups. Now let's look at our options. We'll start with A. Here we have 4 gallons and 3 cups, 4 quarts and 20 pints, and 13 quarts. So we want to get each of these into all cups. So let's start with our first one. Here we have 4 gallons and 3 cups. Now, since 1 gallon is equal to 16 cups and we have 4, this is the same as 4 times 16 plus the 3 that we already had. Now, 4 times 16 is equal to 64 plus the 3 cups we already had is equal to 67 cups. Now let's look at our second. Here we have 4 quarts and 20 pints. Now 4 quarts is equal to 16 cups since we have 4 quarts times the 4 cups in each quart. And then we're going to add to that the fact that we have 20 pints and each pint is worth 2 cups. Now this is going to give us 16 plus 40, which is equal to 56. And that's in cups. Here we have 13 quarts. Now 13 quarts, to figure out how many cups that is, we're going to need to know that every 1 quart has 4 cups in it. So we have 13 quarts times the 4 cups in each quart, which will be equal to 52 cups. Now let's look at our second. Here we have 3 gallons. Now each gallon is worth 16 cups. So here we need to know 3 times 16 is equal to 48 cups. Our second says 7 quarts and 1 pint. Now, there are 4 cups in each quart, so here we have 7 times 4, plus there are 2 cups in each pint. So we have 1 pint times 2 cups. That's the same thing as 28 plus 2, which is equal to 30 cups. Our third number here is 13 pints and 3 cups. Now each pint has 2 cups in it, so this is the same as 13 times 2 plus the 3 that we already had, which is equal to 26 plus 3. 26 plus 3 is equal to 29 cups. How about our third option? Here we have 4 quarts. Each quart has 4 cups in it, so 4 quarts is the same as 4 times 4, which is 16 cups. Our second option is 3 quarts and 5 pints. Here we know that 3 quarts times 4 cups for each quart plus 5 pints times 2 cups for each pint will give us our answer of 12 plus 10, which is equal to 22 cups. And finally, we have 3 gallons and 2 cups. 3 gallons, each with 16 cups in it, would be 3 times 16, plus the 2 cups that we already had, would give us 48 plus 2, which is equal to 50 cups. Now let's look at which of these have an order from largest to smallest. Here we have 67, and then 56, and then 52. Definitely getting smaller there. So option A will be an answer that goes from largest to smallest. Next, let's look at B. Here we have 48 cups, then 30 cups, then 29 cups. Also going from largest to smallest throughout, so option B will also be a correct answer. Option C has 16 cups, and then 22 cups, and then 50 cups. This is not going from largest to smallest, so C is not a correct answer.